When you're considering church management software, HoloBuilder stands out, but is it the right choice for you? There are key points you need to know before making your decision, especially when comparing it to other top options available. First, let's talk about ease of use. HoloBuilder offers a user-friendly interface, but compared to other platforms like Breeze or Planning Center, it may take a little more time to learn. While it has a clean design, it doesn't have the same level of intuitive flow you'll find in Breeze, which might make the transition smoother for your team. Next thing, let's discuss features. HoloBuilder covers basics, like member management, event planning, and contribution tracking. However, when stacked up against competitors like ChurchTrack, it lacks some of the advanced customization and reporting tools that others offer. So, if you're looking for robust reporting, HoloBuilder might feel limited. The third thing to keep in mind is pricing. HoloBuilder tends to be more affordable than some of the bigger platforms out there like ChurchSuite, but it doesn't always match the feature set. For churches on a budget, this could be an attractive option. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for advanced features, you may want to consider a more feature-rich competitor. The fourth thing to note is support. HoloBuilder's customer service is generally responsive, but again, it doesn't always compare to the level of 24/7 support you get from larger platforms like ACS Technologies. If you need more hands-on, immediate assistance, you might want to check reviews of their support to ensure they meet your needs. Fifth thing, integration with other tools. HoloBuilder integrates with several popular apps, but it's not as expansive as other church management systems like Planning Center. If you rely heavily on integrations with accounting software or CRM tools, this could be a limitation. The sixth point is about mobile access. HoloBuilder does offer mobile access, but it's not as optimized as platforms like Breeze or ChurchTrack, which provide fully functional apps. This could be a downside if you have a mobile-centric church or staff that needs to manage things on the go. Next, let's touch on security. HoloBuilder follows standard security protocols, but larger platforms might offer enhanced protection, such as role-based access control, which is crucial for large churches with many admins. It's worth noting the specific security features you might need for your congregation. The eighth point is customization. While HoloBuilder does allow some degree of customization, it's not as flexible as others like Planning Center or ChurchSuite, which offer extensive options for tailoring workflows. If you need a platform that adapts precisely to your church's processes, you might find this a bit restrictive. The ninth thing is training. HoloBuilder provides resources to help your team get up to speed, but the training materials aren't as comprehensive as those from larger competitors, which often offer in-depth video tutorials and live training sessions. If your team needs a lot of hand-holding during the transition, you might have to look for external resources. The 10th point is scalability. HoloBuilder works well for small to mid-sized churches, but as your congregation grows, it might not scale as smoothly as larger systems designed for high-volume churches. If you're planning for growth, it's worth considering how HoloBuilder will handle an expanding congregation. Next up, let's talk about reporting. While HoloBuilder has basic reporting capabilities, it lacks the depth you get from platforms like ChurchTrack or Breeze, which have more customizable reports. If data analysis is important for your church's decision-making, you may find HoloBuilder's reporting lacking. The 12th thing to consider is community. HoloBuilder's community is smaller than that of bigger platforms, so there might be fewer resources like user forums or third-party integrations. This can impact how easily you can find support or plugins that expand the functionality of your system. In conclusion, HoloBuilder is a solid church management software with great affordability and simplicity, but it may fall short in areas like customization, reporting, and integrations compared to its competitors. It's a good option for churches looking for basic features without breaking the bank. But if you're looking for something more advanced, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.